Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Journey. Have you ever noticed something strange? You understand English, you know the words, you know the grammar, but when you try to speak, nothing comes out. It's like your brain and your mouth are not connected. You freeze, you start translating word by word, sentence by sentence, and by the time you're ready to speak, the conversation is already over. But here is the truth. You are not bad at English. Your brain is just running in slow mode. Today, I'm going to show you how to switch it to autopilot. Your brain has two systems. The first system is conscious thinking. It is slow. It analyzes rules. This is the system you use when studying grammar. You think about verbs. You think about tenses. You think about sentence structure. But conversations don't wait. Real conversations move fast. Native speakers don't build sentences word by word. They play them, just like a song. They don't think about the notes. They remember the melody. So what is the secret? What if I told you that fluent speakers don't think in words, they think in chunks? Chunks are groups of words that always live together. Instead of learning single words, you learn ready-made phrases. Think of it like Lego blocks. A beginner tries to build a house brick by brick. I want to go to the park. 7 pieces. Too slow. But a fluent speaker uses bigger blocks. I want to go to the park. 2 blocks. Fast, smooth, automatic. You are not building a sentence anymore. You are releasing a phrase. And this changes everything in real conversations. Meet Lily and Leo. They are at a coffee shop. Lily asks a simple question. Hey Leo, what are you doing this weekend? Leo understands the question, but his brain is in slow mode. He starts searching for single words. He says, I think that I will stay at home. 8 words, 8 decisions. Lily is waiting. The conversation feels heavy. Now, let's rewind. Let's put Leo's brain on autopilot. He doesn't look for single words. He uses a chunk. Lily, hey Leo, what are you doing this weekend? Leo, I'll probably stay in. 1 single block. Fast, natural, confident. Another situation, at a hotel. The receptionist asks, can I help you? Slow mode Leo says, I want to book a room for tonight. Too slow. Autopilot Leo uses 2 chunks. Chunk 1, I'd like a room. Chunk 2, for tonight. Together, I'd like a room for tonight. Do you see the difference? The first way makes you struggle. The second way makes you sound natural. Before I give you the training, tell me in the comments, what is one simple question that always makes you freeze? Write it down below. I will reply with the perfect chunk for you. Now, follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1, the phrase filter. When you watch a movie or a video in English, don't write down single words. Write down phrases. Not decision. Write make a decision. Not problem. Write solve a problem. Your brain remembers patterns, not isolated words. Step 2, the glue technique. Don't just read the phrase. Say it. Whisper it. Shout it. Repeat it. 10 times. Fast. Make the phrase stick to your tongue like glue. Step 3, immediate use. If you learn a phrase today, use it today. Use it with a friend. Use it in front of a mirror. Use it while talking to yourself. The rule is simple. Learn today, use today. This is how words move from your brain to your mouth. Now, let's practice with real chunks. These are phrases native speakers use every day. Chunk number 1. I'm about to. Example, I'm about to leave. Chunk number 2. It turns out that. Example, it turns out that the test was easy. Chunk number 3. I can't believe. Example, I can't believe I passed the exam. Chunk number 4. The best part is. Example, the best part is it's free. Chunk number 5. It depends on. Example, it depends on the situation. Now, your turn. Write one of these phrases in the comments and make your own sentence. Let's practice together. Now, I have a challenge for you. For the next 7 days, learn one chunk every day. Repeat it 50 times. Use it in real sentences. After 1 week, something surprising will happen. Your tongue will move faster than your thoughts. And that is the beginning of fluency. Remember this. Fluency is not about knowing more words. It's about using them faster. And that starts today, not tomorrow. Today. Stop translating. Start speaking. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.